Xiaomi is launching yet another mid-range smartphone in Nepal, and this time it's the selfie-centric Redmi S2 with some AI tweaks. In this video, we are going to give you some initial impression of the device along with some camera samples and the benchmarking scores. So it's me, your host Himal. Without any further delay, let's get started. So getting inside the box here, let me unbox this. It's quite a tough thing to do. So here we get our device out of the box, and let me take this out and let's see what else do we get inside the box. So opening up the box first, here we get one more small box here where there are some user manuals along with the case. So it's a standard quality case which can protect your device some minus scratches and all. So let's see, here we also get a USB charger with a standard charger with 5V 2A output, so it's not a fast charger here. And we even get a data cable which is USB to micro USB. So Xiaomi should have gave a Type-C cable in 2018, but sadly it's micro USB. And we even get a SIM ejector tool inside the box right down there. So as usual Xiaomi, there is no headphone jack in the box. So keeping all this aside, let's get into the device. First thing up here is a 5.99-inch HD Plus display with 18:9 aspect ratio. It has pixel density of 269 pixels per inch and has a 74.64% of screen to body ratio. Here Xiaomi should have gone with the full HD display, though the display has nice viewing angles and visibility under the sunlight. While on the right side of our device, here you get volume rocker key and the power button. They are quite pressy and tactile while clicking. And on the left side of our device, we have SIM tray. Here we have two nano SIM slots and also an external micro SD card slot separately, which supports micro SD card up to 256GB. Now moving to the back of our device, here we have plastic body which may look like metal. The back of a device houses dual rear camera and also a fingerprint sensor which is pretty fast. The dual rear camera setup is a vertical camera setup with 12 megapixel primary camera and 5 megapixel depth sensing camera. While up at the front, we have 16 megapixel front camera with AI features, proximity sensors, earpiece and also LED notification light. So the device at the top has a headphone jack, a noise cancellation microphone and an IR blaster, while at the bottom it has single flying speaker, primary microphone and a micro USB slot. And talking about the software of the device, it is running on latest Android Oreo 8.1 with MIUI 9.5 on top. The MIUI houses some great features such as full screen gestures and also the theme support and many more features that we have been seeing throughout these years. Now let's talk about those cameras. Talking about the camera, the 12 megapixel primary camera has f2.2 aperture and it also has a 5 megapixel depth sensing camera. The camera here supports all the fancy features such as digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, HDR mode and many pro features. While talking about the front camera, it is 16 megapixel camera powered with AI features such as AI bokeh effect or those portrait shot. It even has HDR and front facing flash. Here, these are the pictures which we took around our office, and you can see there are ample detail, and in HDR mode you even get crisp and clear pictures. Under the artificial condition, photos may turn out a bit of grainy. It also has those portrait effects which give you nice bokeh shots. You can even take portrait images from the front camera. The front camera may lag a bit under the artificial condition. So this is a video taken by the rear camera of a device which is electronically stabilized with the gyroscope sensor. It's a 1080p video at 30 frames per second. As you can see, the video is quite stable here. We even ran some benchmarking tests and these were the results. The phone is powered with Qualcomm Snapdragon 625, which is an octa-core processor clocked at 2 GHz. The gaming duties is handled by Adreno 506 GPU here. The heavy titles like PUBG ran quite smoothly under the low graphical settings, while at medium and high setting it showed some frame drops and lag. We even ran Asphalt 8 at the medium settings and it was quite smooth, though the processor is a 2-year-old Snapdragon 625. The 16 megapixel front camera also enables a face detection, which can be used for security purposes. Here, as you can see, I'm going to set up the Face ID. Just let me set up the face here. And yes, it is too easy, just as taking a picture. And now the device will unlock. So yeah, it's a pretty fast face recognition feature. Now the question is, should you buy this phone in Nepal under the price range of 26,999? The Xiaomi Redmi S2 can be categorized as an affordable smartphone from Xiaomi, but it lacks some basic features such as a good display and a better performance. Here Xiaomi should have gone with a new processor, but they opt a 2-year-old Snapdragon 625. If you want to buy this phone, before considering this phone, you should even look at the Redmi Note 5 AI, the 3G variant. The phone packs a great processor, that is Snapdragon 636, and a full HD display under a similar price segment. In spite of average display and average configuration, if you want to buy the device for its excellent set of cameras, there will be a link provided in the description box below. Go and check it out. And if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe our channel for more such content, and I will see you all in my next video.